What's up, everyone? This is Dr. Nadia, and today I'm going to talk about dark circles. So, we all have this issue, and I keep getting this question like what to do, how to resolve my dark circles, and my response would be it's complicated. Honestly, yes. It's very difficult to treat because the reason behind the dark circles is not same for everybody. The condition is not same for everybody, and maybe you're having hollow under eye area, maybe you're having dark under eye area, maybe you're having wrinkles around your eyes. So the concern is different, treatment is different, and it takes a lot of research, a lot of time to get desired results. So let's get started. Most important thing is to first know the cause of your dark circles, like the what is the actual reason behind it. Most commonly there are three causes. First of all, the shadowing. Like the shadowing is you do not actually have dark circles, but this area, there's a hollow under your eyes, and the upper fold and the skin, this bone, this is causing a shadow over it, so you feel that the under eye area is darkened and it has pigment. So that is the most common reason. So first know that if your bony structure is causing a shadow under your eyes. Second is that your under eye skin or your around the eye skin is very thin, and the underlying structures like veins over there or the muscle tissues over there or the blood vessels all around, they are giving a color to the skin. So first evaluate that. And third is the most common cause that everybody thinks that you have pigmentation. So the dark circles, they are not just a concern of skin. Maybe you're having nutritional deficiency and that is why you're having that kind of pigment, or you're just training a lot on screens, you're a lot of sleeping habits, you're sleeping more or sleeping less, and maybe because of that, or apart from that, you're actually having pigment, like actually the melanin cells are getting deposited over that area of your face and you're getting that darkness around your eyes. So let's evaluate the reason, the cause first on your own, or just consult a dermat for that. I'm just going to tell you few common treatments, few things which you can do, and maybe your dark circles improve, but maybe not, because consulting a dermat is important. So the solution for the foremost cause, that is shadowing of your orbit, or this is the orbit of your orbital bone, or this tear trough. We get this tear trough depression like very commonly in patients over here. So for this, the only treatment is derma fillers, the hyaluronic acid fillers, properly injected by a dermatologist or an expert surgeon or plastic surgeon. Apart from that, fat transfer is also a good option. Fat transfer is kind of a permanent option, but it is difficult to rearrange it, and the side effects are a little more. We'll be discussing it in another video, but yes, dermal fillers are great. If you have wrinkles around your eyes, then that's a sign of aging or premature aging. So that can be taken care of with Botox, botulinum injections. They work great with wrinkles. And if you have underlying structures like dilated blood vessels, or the darkness of the muscles around there is visible, because of that, if you're feeling that your under eye area is dark, so you can use caffeine based products. Caffeine causes vasoconstriction and the vessels will be visible less. And apart from that, laser treatments can be done. They just occlude the blood vessels and they gives you almost good results. But caffeine based creams, till the time they are on your skin, they'll give you vasoconstriction and they won't be visible around your eyes. You start applying vitamin A derivatives at night, like retinol, retinoids, all the reti creams, all the vitamin A derivative creams, and all the gel based. They will just boost the collagen production and they will increase that cushion under your eyes. So the distance between your skin and the musculature increases. So now the last part, that is true hyperpigmentation, like you actually have darkness around your eyes, and in a lot of people it is genetic, it is hereditary, and in that case it is more hard to treat. And apart from that, anemic people do have dry skin, like less of hemoglobin inside them. So go and eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, spinach, and increase your iron intake and just increase your blood and get rid of dark circles. Allergies to the skincare products, or in case you have infected nails or fungal infection kind of thing on your hands or somewhere, can also cause dark around eye area. And almost 90% of the people who are complaining about darkness around the skin applying sunscreen around that area, and so the tanning is there, so this area becomes dark because you avoid this, you protect it from sunscreen, so sunscreen does not protect it from getting darkened. Other medically prescribed products that you can apply on around your eyes to get rid of dark under eyes or the pigmentation are azelaic acid, retinoids, tranexamic acid, then vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid. So all of these, just choose your products that have these active ingredients, and slowly it takes time, your around eye area will be improved. Many a times if you will go over the counter and just ask for something that lightens your skin tone or just lightens your under eye area, they'll give you something which has hydroquinone. And be aware of this product. Do not use it more than 6 to 8 weeks. Consult a dermat, consult a professional before using it, because it can give you a permanent hyperpigmentation. It can give you PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Not all skin types accept this product, so it is irritable. And sleep good, eat healthy, stay stress-free, do workout regularly, even if it is just for 10 minutes. It just regulates the blood pressure. It gives you a very positive vibe. And stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.